Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal Nathan, man, back with you. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use a Ferris FW25. So, guys, that's the exhaust. You do not want to put your hands there. Yeah, look at the wheels. There's the height adjustments there. It's the exact same as the Walker, guys. Under there is the belt. See, you just pull those pins out. Under there, you see these little bolt things. They cover up a little screen there, and it's meant to protect the belt kind of from wear and tear. You gonna see? Yeah, it's probably a good idea. There's the oil. Check this out, guys. Okay. Makes it more freewheeling. Like if I pull this back, then I can move it around a little bit more. Same thing with the other side. There's the gas tank. It's huge. So now you guys are probably wondering here. This, oops. That's full throttle. If I push that all the way, and to stop, pull it back, or okay, guys, so that's the brake. You can see these little triggers are what turns it left and right. The top bar there is kind of like a safety thing. That's the emergency brake. That's how you engage the blades. That's how you turn it on. That's the choke. It's kind of like your throttle if you want it low idle or really high. So it's pulled all the way back. That's neutral. There's a big warning thing there just to give you a basic idea. Alright, guys, let's go take it for a spin. So this is one of my favorite lawnmowers I've ever used. It mulches only. You walk behind it. I can't remember how big this one is. I think it was a 48-inch. I can't remember. Made some really nice stripes though. Look at that, eh? Oh, I know if I ever wanted a lawnmower one day in life, I wouldn't mind having one of these. They mulch up the grass really nice if you're going over it regularly. And you guys can see I go over my lawn quite a lot, so mulches up really nice, makes it look really clean. This is actually a shot of my front lawn. It was covered in leaves, it mulched it all up. Look at how beautiful that is. Well, guys, you've probably already figured this out, but I filmed this like, I don't know how long, maybe 4 months ago, 3 months ago. So I rented that lawnmower and just wanted to show you guys how it worked. I've used one before. Anyhow, guys, if you've enjoyed this video and you're starting to miss spring and you just can't wait for it, and this is giving you just a little bit of bliss, then please leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and please subscribe for more, guys. Hit that bell. I hope that you guys are all having an awesome day wherever you are in the world. And I will see you guys all next Wednesday. Bye.